guys, it's Angie and I'm coming today to do a October announcement. A while back, about a month ago, I was asked by April with PinkOddBird if I would be interested in joining a October Daily 2022. I have never done an October Daily. I knew what they were, and basically they're spread every day, and she does prompts, and she's done these for years. So I've always followed her October Daily, but I have never personally have done one myself, so I'm kind of diving into the October Daily. Of course I said yes to April. Her co-host is Priscilla with Release the Craftin'. So if you do not follow April or Priscilla, please go over there and head over to their Instagram. They are amazing artists, and I've become fun friends with April, and she's just amazing artist. She makes the coolest junk journal, especially when Halloween season's around. She's just a really fun person to get to know. Anyway, so it is running now, and I am number 14. So she kind of did it this year as a storyline. So there's a group of us artists who are participating this year, and we each have an assigned date, and mine is number 14. And here I'll just kind of maybe it'll focus there. Here are some of the participants. Yeah, it's kind of being weird. That are joining in. So please head over to all their channels. I will have a link below to everybody's channel, so please go over there and subscribe. It's always fun to subscribe to new channels. You'll find new things that you learn from these other artists. So far it's been so fun watching them create. Oh my gosh, the creativity is off the charts, you guys. I did find that I get a little too involved with a page, so I am going to try to finish this. This might not be done till maybe next October, we'll see, but I've been having a lot of fun. And so here is my October Daily journal that I made for this month. This is basically the same concept as my other journals, so if I want to reuse this cover I can, which it's always fun to do that. So I did make them with the elastic removable signatures. And so what I did, I just took some bookboard, painted some fabric, made it rusty, did it kind of like, I don't know, Halloween-ish. I'm gonna put like some encaustic over that still. Anyway, stamped some numbers. I think they're Tim Holt numbers. Kind of made my own rusty fabric, and this is the spine. I'm gonna do a dangle, maybe with some keys and some skeleton heads, I don't know. Anyways, some fabrics and tulle and just different layers of stuff. So I'm going to show you the first couple of pages I did. Like I said, I find that I'm getting way too involved in the page, and but it's fun. It's a challenge, and you have to think out the box. So anyways, so these are the dates. Here's what came with the little thing, so you can do it this way. Hold on, you guys. You can also, so here's everybody that's participating. Like I said, everybody has a date, and some are doing a couple more dates or one or two pages, layouts. Like I said, I'm number 14. And then here are the prompts. So you can have a prompt shaped like a ticket, and you put one on each page, or you can have them like a strip. So you can do the storyline stripping, cut that out. My printer decided to go crazy on me and decided it wanted to run out of ink, and so I couldn't get that last page printed, but I did get this one. So this is my prompt number 14. I'll read that in a minute. I was just going to show you this really quick. So this is my, like I said, I do the elastic, so you can take your signatures in and out, and I think that's fun because you can reuse this cover, which I think is always fun. And then I ended up with like 3 signatures for this one. And so I'm not gonna, I don't know. So anyways, you have your prompts, and I'm just gonna show you mine really quick. And this says, you receive a mysterious letter in the mail inside, and a copy of a will of an unknown relative, a deed to the house, and the keys, and the set of keys. So here's a set of keys, and I'm going to go this really fast because these are supposed to be short videos. And then here's the deed, just a few papers. And then number 2, following the directions in the letter, you had the location of the house. What does it look like? And this is kind of what I came up with the house. It's like a moon and some craziness here. And then here's number 3. You decide to look around the expensive grounds. What does the yard look like? What stands out? And then here's my yard. It's like a scary, creepy scarecrow. So a lot of people did a little storyline with theirs too, and I thought that was really cool. I'm kind of just, this is my first year, and I've learned a lot so far, so we're going to get started. I am number 14, and so I kind of prepped some stuff for number 4 for mine, because like I said, I kind of got involved in this. And so what my prompt says, number 14, ding dong, it's the doorbell, and the sounds of kids trick or treaters. Through the glass of the door, you see shadows taller than children. So here we go, you guys. I will probably do some speed up video in this, which I'm probably going to do now, because like I said, so I did produce some prepping first for you, so you'll just have to follow along. And yeah, hope you enjoy this spectacular video. Okay, what I have out here, before we speed this up, is going to be the frame. I kind of started it for you. Like I said, I did some prep work because this is supposed to be 10 minutes or just a little under or over, but we're trying to keep these videos short so we can keep you guys entertained so you can move on to the next ones. So this is going to be the frame, the front door, and so I kind of am trying to do it 3D-ish. So like I said, I'm getting this kind of quick here. So this is going to be the front door. So I just cut, this is the cutout for the door. I did some side windows and a top window here. I already put this like a cellophane kind of a textured see-through right here to look like glass. This is going to go up here. This is going to be the background in the sky. This is going to be the frame of the door. And then I'm going to put some cellophane, or not cellophane, what do you call it, transparency. Sorry, excuse me guys. This is the floor of the room, so we're going to glue these together next. And then I got these to kind of pop it up because there's supposed to be a character behind this glass door outside. So what I'm using is kind of going to be this kind of a character. And so he needed, you know, it needed to be higher so he wasn't coming out through the door, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's where my brain went. It's like, oh, I could make it simple and flat, but why do that, right guys? Why do it? Okay, so here we go. Okay guys, here is the door and the front door, and we'll just work on the little spooky character. I might put something up here as well. Again, that's you could go all day with this little page, but anyway, so here is the back. I built it up for the character to be seen in here, and there we go. We'll go on to the next step is getting the character all dressed up, and we'll see you there. Okay, so here's all the pieces. I'm gonna tell you what they are, and then we're gonna finish her up. So here is the recap of the door frame, and there's some glue webs. Oh, it looks like cobwebs. Anyways, so here's the door frame. We finished up this guy, this little creepy trick or treater. This is my number 14 prompt, and I am going to use that as my doormat here. We're gonna put this on top of the page after everything's all connected. And then this is going to be a topper because I thought it needs something there. And then number 14 because my day was 14. Alright guys, so we're going to get this on the page and we'll see you back in a minute. That is it, you guys. Here is my final page, and I hope you like it. It was a lot of fun. There you go, number 14. It was supposed to be like kind of like a shadow, but he's coming out of the shadows into the glass door, you guys. So yeah, this was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Like I said, I really got into it. Thank you so much, April. From PinkOddBird, and co-host Priscilla from Release the Craftin'. I really enjoyed being a participant, number 14. So here is the daily calendar. Number 15 is Lipstick Legion Crafts, so please head over to her channel because she will be number 15, and then so on, like I said. And then if you do participate, please use hashtag OctoberDay 2022 right here. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much, and have a spectacular rest of your October. Bye-bye.